So the question is based on identity, which we have learned 3 identities, okay? So the question is, if 2x plus 3y is 8 and xy is 12, find the value of 4x square. What is the value? 4x square plus 9y square. You have to find the value of this part. So this question, these questions, we have a technique, always solve with the techniques. So what we need to solve it here, find it here, 4x square plus 9y square. When you see the question, you will understand 4x square and 9y square is the square of something, perfect square. 4x square is the square of which number? 2x square. Yes? Yeah, 2x square. And 9y square, you can write it 3y whole square. Isn't it? Any confusion? After this, how you will do it? Because this is the a square plus b square, right? This is a, so this is a square and this is b square. So now you will apply your identity. Which identity?
The first one.
The first one. So the first one was a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or you can write it in the other way, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Now you will apply your identity in this part. So here is 2x square plus 3y square plus 2x plus 3y. Dot means it's a multiplication. Next step. Now how you will write it here? A plus b whole square, right? What is the identity? Identity is a square plus b square is now a plus b whole square plus 2a. Right? Now we will use this identity in the question. So the identity is a plus b. Here a is 2x, b is 3y. So 2x plus 3y whole square plus 2 times 2x plus 3y. Now 2x plus 3y, you can write it as it is, plus. Now multiply all the numeric values. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12xy. Any confusion? Now put the values. Now look at the board. See the question. If 2x plus 3y is 8, now you will substitute the value. 2x plus 3y is 8. So 8 square plus 12 times xy. Here we will put the value xy. So what is the xy value? Xy value is 2. So you will write it 2. So 8 times 8 is 64 plus 24. So this will become 40. So your answer is 40. Understood the question? So we are substituting the value in the identity. First we will identity mold with the question, because your question given in the a square plus b square form. So you have to flip the identity form. The left hand side you will write it in the right, and right you will be write it in the left. So basically change the side. Okay, so when you change the sign, you will get this: a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square plus 2ab. Now you will apply in the question. So this is your a. According to question, this is your a, this is your b. Now you will apply your identity: a plus b whole square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square is this one. Then I have multiplied these three numbers. So it will become 12xy. And then substitute the value. Any confusion? No, right? So in this type of question, always check what is given in the question. So these type of question is based on identities, as you can see in the question. If x plus y is 12, xy is 14, find the value of x square plus y square. You have to find the value of this. Then how you will solve it? So we know it. Our identity is given in this form: a square plus a plus b whole square. So now I will change the identity again. Your identity is what? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, but when you see the question, this is given in the a square plus b square form. So we will change your identity. Now it's become a square plus b square is a plus b whole square plus 2ab. Now we will start our question. So your question is x square plus y square. So this is x square plus y square. X square plus y square, x is a here, x is a and y is b. Again you will substitute 2xy. Now check your question, which information is given, and you can use it in the identity. So x plus y value is given 12 and xy value is 4 is given. So x plus y is 12. You just substitute the values. 2 times 14, because x plus y value is given 12. So I substituted here. Xy value is 14. So I substituted 14 in place of this. Now normal calculation, 12 times 12 will be 144, right?
Yeah.
Always remember the squares. Okay, 14 times 2 will be 28.
Yeah.
Now add them, you will get the answer. So the answer is
176.
So the value of x square plus y square is 176. Really 176? Check again.
I got 172.
8 plus 4
I
is?
think it is 172.
Yeah, that's correct. Yes. So this is your value. Understood the question? Go ahead. So now your second question is x plus 2, x minus 2 and x square plus 4. Definitely this question is also based on identity, right? Let's see how you will solve it. So x minus 2, x plus 2. If you remember, if the same thing a plus b and a minus b, so you can apply your identity a minus b, a plus b, so you can apply this identity, right? Same you will apply here. Here a is x, b is 2. So x square and 2 square. and the remaining question you will write it as it is. Now next step is you will simplify here. So x square minus 4 in one side and other side we will write as it is. Now next, after this what you will do?
Yeah, you use the third property again.
Again, yeah, that's correct. Very good. So we can see in the this second step, again we got the same step, right? A minus b, a plus b, same, a minus b, a plus b. So again you can apply the third identity, which is x square raised to the power square minus 4 whole square. X raised to the square is 4 minus 4 times 4 will be 16. This is your answer. Easy?
Yeah.
Understood? So these, whenever we have the three, the three type of product, like find the continue product. So you have to find the continue product. Always check which identity we can apply here. So check A and B part and then apply according to the question.
A multitive identity?
No.
Multiplicate identity?
No. So 68 times 72. So you have to check first which identity you can apply here, and the second is how. Sometimes students confuse which number should be taken here. Okay. So in that difficult part, I am giving you the trick for finding the main. See, you can understand this identity. Which identity will help in this? 70 minus 2, 70 plus 2, isn't it? Yeah, but 70 sometimes you confused. In some, see, this question is easily understand. Okay, in some questions you are not understand easily. Then how you will check? So suppose what you will do in the question, you can do it 68 plus 72 over 2. You will do it this one, and this will give you the number, and with that number will apply in our question 70. Okay, when you find it you will get. So we express 68 and 72 in terms of 70. Okay, so now 68 times 72, 70 is the number which will come in both. Okay, so we express 68 and 72 in terms of 70. How you will do it? 70 minus 2 will give it 68. 70 plus 2 will give it 72. Now you can understand which identity will apply here, right? So A minus B, A plus B. We will apply the third identity. So I can write it directly. Okay, no problem. 70 square will be 4900, and 2 times 2 is 4. Yeah. So what will be the final answer? 4896. Right? 4896. So this number, when you do this one step now, this step will give you the number which we will express in this form. Okay, it will be easier to finding the number. Okay, suppose the question is, the next question is fourth one. 128 square plus 128 square minus 77 square. In the fourth question, how you will do it? Which identity you can apply here? See the question. 128 square minus 77 square. Which identity you will apply here?
I know.
Hmm.
Probably gonna be the third one.
Third one, right? So how you will apply? 128. This is a square minus b square is given. So how you can write it? A plus b and a minus b, right? But if you solve, see, this question you can solve it normally. Write 128 square, 128 times 128, subtract 77 times 77, but it will be difficult. But the same thing, you will use your identity, you will get your answer within a minute, okay? Once you will done the practice. 128 plus 77 and 128 minus 77. We are applying the identity number 3, right? Now 128 plus 77, easy to solve. Everyone know it. 205 times 128 minus 77 is 51. Easiest way to solve. You can check also, okay? The normal method will take time, but this method is very easy. You have to just add, subtract and multiply. 3 operation you can use it here and get the answer. See, this is your answer. So you can get your answer within a second by using the identity. See the next question. Find the value of x if 6x is equals to 23 square minus 17 square. Any idea how you will solve this? Very easy. Use your identity, get your answer within a minute. When you will do more questions, then you can do it within a second. See, again you can see it in this part. Which identity we can apply in this part? Tell me. Unmute yourself. Speak out.
Second one.
Arnav?
Yes, I said the same.
Really?
Second one, yeah.
Really? Which one was second? Can you explain me which one was second, Bachcha?
Okay. I mean, the second one was a minus b whole square.
So is it a minus b whole square? Just wait. Is this a minus b whole square, boys?
Wait, no. No.
No. So which identity will apply here?
The first one, because they're the same sign.
Yeah. So we will apply a square minus b square. Which identity is this?
The first one. The first one.
Really?
I'm in the
So
second one.
6x is equals to 23 square minus 17 square. So the left hand side will write it as it is. Only right hand side we can use the identity number 3, which is a square minus b square. So a plus b, a is 23 here, b is 17 here, right? This is your a, this is your b. You just apply it. So 23 plus 17. The next part 23 minus 17. Got it? Now do the addition and subtraction. 6x is equals to 40 times 6. Now you know it. So it's turned into the linear equation in one variable, isn't it? Yeah? Algebra. So x is 40 times 6 over 6. When you simplify 6 here, so x value is 40. Yeah, that's correct. So your final answer is 40 and yes. So identities are very useful part in algebra. Okay. So always remember, whenever you will see the questions, immediate click the identity and apply it.